Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to print a void check from Scotia Bank app. We will also put links in the description below for similar banks. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your accounts. Tap on your banking account. Here, you will see an option for Manage. Tap on Manage. On this screen, you will see a section for direct deposit/void check info. Beside it is a View option. Tap on View. Then a window will appear. There, you will see an option for void check. Tap on Void Check. Next, scroll down until you see a section for void check. Under void check is a button that says View/Print. Tap on View/Print. If you're also using an iPhone, you will see a share icon at the top right side of the screen. Tap on the share icon. From the list, tap on the print option. Lastly, select a printer and set it up. Then tap on Print. That's how you print a void check from Scotia Bank app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.